Hi. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how you need to finish this to get it to work. Okay, so for the first thing, it looks like you have all your questions done, so that's good. And let me move this out of the way. You want to go down here where it says Sheet 2. Down here in the lower left, you can see I'm going to click on Sheet 2. And if this doesn't pop up, you might have to scroll to find this. But you can see I've already started. You have to change the numbers to your actual answer, except for the first one stays 0 blank. So I've done the first. Let's go look at question 3. Question 3, the main problem that faces that the characters face is conflict. So I have to change it from a 3 to conflict. Okay. I'll do question 4, how the conflict or problem is solved. This is the resolution. So I'm going to change the answer from 4 to resolution. You're going to keep doing that. Now let's go make sure it worked. Go back to sheet 1. To make sure it worked, you're going to try it out as if you were the student. I'm going to click in the answer box. The main problem that the characters face is the conflict. I'm going to hit return or enter. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Let's see. Let's try the next one to make sure. Resolution. That one I got right. So maybe I spelled or something this wrong. So let's go back to sheet 2. So this one did turn green, which means I had to put it in correctly. Let's go back to this conflict, and maybe I typed it in wrong. Conflict. Back to here. Let's type this in again. Make sure it works. Conflict. Now I have it working. So you do want to test this out. You're going to keep putting the answers here and testing them out here. When you're ready to give it to the students, you want to do 2 things. First of all, you want to go to sheet 2 and you want to right click on it and you want to hide it because you don't want them seeing the answers. So you do want to hide that. The other thing on sheet 1, you want to delete the answers before you give it to them. You don't want them having the answers, but you do want to test it out before you give it to them. You also want to make sure that they can't see the conditional formatting because you don't want them to mess that up, so you can just X that out. Okay, so I hope that helps you finish this out, and good luck.